evaluate MRT's most recent exhaust invention, and this is for the 2017 Camaro. This is the 4-cylinder turbo. So this is the General Motors edition on the Camaro for the low displacement, boosted application, increasing our horsepower and torque with the free-flowing exhaust system is critical in this kind of package. What we're trying to do is we're trying to deliver the most fun per dollar and make this well-balanced car a driver's machine that sounds the part. So let's go do a driving evaluation. I'm going to drive at just normal speeds, shift points. We're kind of hovering between 1800 and 2500 RPM. I can hear exhaust. It is part of the experience. It is not the overwhelming part of the experience. So I'm hearing tire noise, expansion joint slap on the tire, that sort of thing. Exhaust isn't overpowering anything. My perception of the exhaust presence at this point is a good performance sound. It's sporty performance, not obnoxious. The system on this car is the MRT Catback version 3. So that means that we still have the factory catalyst in place, but everything behind the catalyst is now 3-inch exhaust, branches off into dual 2.5-inch exhaust, and is a clean, straight-through, free-flowing exhaust system. Optimum performance, balanced performance sound. All right, next we're going to get onto a street with a little bit higher speed limit, and we're going to evaluate how the car performs getting up to speed. So we're running it up to 5,500 RPM to accelerate quickly, kind of a merging exercise. So that's 0 to 60 and very quick. And as you accelerate, so does the exhaust presence performance sound increase. So it's definitely a sporty sound. The engine's telling you that I'm getting at it, and it sure makes the whole experience quite a bit more fun. Okay, now we're going to hop onto the highway, and we're going to get up to highway speeds and evaluate what steady state driving at highway speeds produces in terms of sound quality, and most importantly, we want to evaluate drone. So right now we're at 65, medium load, 1900 RPM, and I am going to evaluate this at 0 drone. So no obnoxious noise. In fact, the exhaust note inside of the car is subdued by the tire noise and expansion strip noise. So my conclusion is you could drive this car cross country at the highway speeds with 0 issues. So if you're looking for performance sound, high quality 304 stainless steel, handcrafted, made in Michigan, I think we have the perfect solution for you.